Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with a new video. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Google Play Store something went wrong problem. See here in this problem. Okay, let's fix it. Just follow my all process and don't skipping the video. Otherwise you can don't understand that. Open phone settings. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Search Google Play Store. Tap on storage, clear cache and clear data. Then back. Tap on permission. Then allow all permission. Check your internet connection. At last, restart your device. This way you can easily solve your problem. Thanks for watching the full video.